Question 32. The following gases are heavier than air except A. Ammonia, B. Sulfur oxide, C. Hydrogen chloride, D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is A. Ammonia. Explanation. To determine if a gas is heavier or lighter than air, you compare its molar masses to the average molar mass of air. The average molar mass of air is approximately 29 grams per mole. So ammonia, the molar mass of ammonia is only 17 grams per mole. So it is lighter than air. All the others, sulfur oxide, hydrogen chloride, and carbon dioxide, they are all heavier gases than air.